And I'm back with another easy to build woodworking project for you. If you want to build this table for your house, you want to build this to sell, this is a super easy beginner friendly table. As always, there's free plans in the captions, so go check those out and happy building. First up, I have to glue up the top and bottom pieces together. I'm using 1x6 boards, 3 for the top and 3 for the bottom. Whenever I'm doing any sort of glue up, I rub the two pieces together. This spreads out the glue and helps them align a little bit better. And then in come the cauls. Cauls are just thick pieces of wood that keep everything flat. There's one on the top and the bottom, and I just clamp them till they're super tight, and it really does help keep everything flat. For this build, I'm using pocket holes, and I know some of you hate pocket holes, but they're strong. Wood glue is even stronger. Together, they're like peanut butter and jelly for beginners. They're super forgiving and deliciously effective. Attaching the top and bottom to the sides is where I bring out my right angle clamp. Nobody wants an unsquare table, it's just gonna be wobbly. And I use pocket holes and wood glue for this as well. Make sure the pocket holes are facing down so that you can't see them. For the vertical pieces, a spacer block makes sure everything is perfectly spaced. I screwed in from the top a pilot hole first, and then I used a screw. Don't worry about the screws, they're going to disappear under a wood plug later like magic. I made about a 1/4 inch hole for my bit, making sure to drill through to the other side so that when I'm driving the screw in, it's not going to crack the white oak, because white oak does like to crack a lot. Then I glued in the plugs, making sure they're aligned with the grain so they mostly disappear, and then I'm going to let them dry. And while that's drying, it's time to move on to the horizontal pieces. I pocket hold the underside of all 3 shelves on both sides. And again, I use a scrap piece as a guide and pocket hold the screws right in. All the dimensions and everything are in the plans as well. And don't forget to use wood glue because it'll make it extra strong. Then I used my flush trim saw to flush all the wood plugs up to the wood so that it's a lot easier to sand. And after sanding for hours, now it's the magic moment, the finish. My all-time favorite is a medium brown for white oak. I use Real Myth Paint Boardwalk with the paint wash. It's 2 parts water, 1 part paint. Roll it on with the grain, wipe it off with the grain, and it dries fast, so don't blink or you'll have a brown streak nightmare. Next, a coat of Real Milk Paint Wax. Rub it in circular motions, then wipe the excess in the direction of the grain. This wax is really forgiving. You've got time, so breathe. Sip your coffee, pretend you're on a fancy woodworking show. And that's the sofa table. The free plans are linked below if you want to build your own. Now I need your help. What should I build next? Drop your ideas in the comments because I might just turn one into my next project.